Hi, this is Master Ken. I have a customized training tomorrow, and one of the tasks is that it will take a long list of data, and for every X number of rows, they need to break into a table, a new table. And the current method is to do it manually. And I thought of maybe Excel macro can help, or maybe Power Query can help. So I do a research and I realized that I found out that it is possible to do that. Well, we add the index and we add a modulo. We do a filtering. We add another index and we call the table. Nope. We actually call the table range. And finally, we will have a step like this. So this is that every 5 row a table. Every 5 row a table. Okay, so every 5 rows a table. So that's the thing. Now, then if you want to make into a new table, you can right click and choose add as new query, and that's all. So at a glance it seems like, well, half automation better than none. But what if I want to do it to next level? Then I have to learn something new. And there is a solution provided by the BI accountants. Oh, BI accountants. Okay, so export data from Power BI to CSV using Python. So it says that it is possible to export data. And why do you talk about Python? That's because that another thing is that how to create new queries from a list of tables or mass. So this could be the reason. So I want to create a new query for each table contained within this list. So that's something what I want to do, right? Is there any ways to automatically do this? So I know I can go through right click. This is what I just show you. But so the solutions is something to do with. Did you say that? Oh yeah, you can export. No. Well, anyway, I'm not sure is this the way, but that will cause me to learn how to install, how to write my first Python script in Power BI and do a research, and you can find that how do you run the Python script in Power BI, and Microsoft provide that. And if you think that it's easy, you can give it a try. So what it says that basically if you want to do that, you need to first install the Python. Okay, so to install Python, you download the Pythons by clicking this download thing. So where is this yellow download button? So you go to this website Python, and there is a button here. This is the one you can choose. And after that, go to a command prompt, and then, well, basically that's what I want to do. See here. So these are command prompt. So you type command prompt, you should be getting there. And to install the pip, you will use the pip3 install pip. And very important is that you install from the command prompt. Okay, so if you type Python here, so you can see that there is this But this is the shell, not the one we want. You should type cmd right here. This is where you want to install. So follow these 3 steps. You should install the 3 of them. But if you don't, then you might encounter this problem, which I have, right? Because the first one is the problem. The first one I have is that module not found error, no module named pandas. So then I do my research and install it the right way. So the right way would be like in the command prompt, right? You install this way, py. So install that pip, and same goes to here, pip. Otherwise you will see error here, unable to connect. But if you install it successfully, then you can expect this to happen. So how to do that? Well, first you go to get you need to follow what it says here, right, in this here. So you install this and so on. You need to enable the Python scripting. So to do that Python scripting, you need to go to the where is it called? Here, go to File, Option Setting, Options, Python scripting. So that's detected, and this one so on. So you check on these two, yeah. Then next you can go to Get Data, go to More, and then go to Others, Python script, click Connect. Now go back to the script here, and you're going to copy these, just for their imports, and come over here and paste it here. So basically it's created a tabular structure. It's like an Excel table. So there are data for the first row and the second row and the third row, and that's just the data. And if you want to have a columns title, then you can add this here. So there's the data, and then you add the columns, and then you have a df. Df stands for data frame, and click OK. And there you are. Now you can transform the data in your Power BI. And that is how you install your first Python script in Power BI. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia.